Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of December. And first of all, national news. Two more Lok Sabha members suspended, total at 143. 52 years post Indo-Pak war, INS Shivaji got Veer Chakra of late Vice Admiral Chaudhary. 21 cases of new COVID variant JN1 in India confirmed in lab test. Ready to look into any information provided, PM Modi on US charges over foiled Pannu assassination plot. Live prediction lunar prize awarded to ISRO for Chandrayaan 3 advancement. Parliament passed bill extending protection to unauthorized colonies in Delhi. Government said country will be able to attain installed nuclear power capacity of 22,480 megawatt by 2031-32. Indian Railways has set target to become net zero carbon emitter by 2030, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. Heavy rains triggered flooding in Tamil Nadu's Tirunelveli, rescue operations in full swing. International news. World Bank happy with Lanka reform, release second tranche of $250 million. Donald Trump ineligible to run for president in Colorado, US State Supreme Court said. Hamas chief in Egypt for talks on Gaza, truce and hostage release. AI can't be patent inventor, says UK Supreme case in landmark ruling. Google fined $50 million over fake information on Russia-Ukraine war. In South Korea, students are suing government for ending exam 90 seconds early. Now some sports news. India beat France 5-4 in last match to record lone win of five-nation tournament. Indian women's hockey team lost to 1-3 to Germany in five-nation tournament. Sports Ministry confirmed Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty for Khel Ratna, Mohammad Shami for Arjun Award. Gukesh D one step closer to candidates after becoming sole leader at Chennai Grandmasters 2023. Babar Azam took top spot from Shubman Gill in latest ICC ODI rankings. Now, business related news. Encash got RBI not to operate as payment aggregator. Government allowed extra borrowing ceiling of over rupees 60,000 crore to states for NPS. G20 trade policy turning restrictive, WTO set. RBI tightened norms for lenders investing in AIFs. Exchange rate flexibility is a key shock absorber for India, IMF. Freight rates could surge 25 to 30% if trouble along Red Sea route continues. And that's all in news. Thank you.